Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the equation of circle P in the xy plane can be represented as x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y is equal to negative 9. We're asked what is the radius of circle P. So the form of the equation of a circle that will get you the radius is going to be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to complete the square to get the x terms into this form and the y terms into this form. Then we're going to have it equal to some number, and that's how we're going to get our radius r, right? So we have x squared minus 6x, and then this is going to be plus some number. Then we're going to have y squared plus 8y plus another number. And this is going to be equal to negative 9. And then we're going to be adding this number and this number to this side, so we have to add them to the other side too. And now we just have to find what the numbers are. So if the coefficient of the squared term is a 1, then there's a really quick trick that you can do to find the number that you have to complete the square with. So you take the number of the the linear term, the term with just an x in it, you divide it by 2, so negative 6 divided by 2 squared. So negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3 squared, which is 9. So we're adding 9 to this side, and again, that means you have to add 9 to this side. Over here, take the middle term, 8 divided by 2 squared. 8 divided by 2 is 4 squared, so this is going to be 16. So we're adding 16 to both sides. Now we have completed the square on both of these. And therefore, if we wanted to, we can turn these into x minus 8 squared and y minus k squared. But we don't even have to worry about that side. So I'm just going to say, okay, keep this side the same. Don't even simplify it. What is this equal to? Well, negative 9 plus 9 is 0. Plus 16 is just 16. So in the form where this is going to be x minus 8 squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared is 16. So if we take the square root of both sides, then you get r is equal to 4. If we were just focusing on this equation without knowing that this is an equation of a circle, without knowing that we're finding the radius, r would also be equal to negative 4. But we don't have to worry about that here. The radius is a physical length, so it can't be a negative number. So you only have to worry about positive 4. Therefore, the radius 4 is going to give you b as a final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.